Hey guys, so instead of working on my outdoor kitchen project or my garden and such, I actually decided to go ahead and organize the garage and kind of move things around because organization is super important. When you can't find things, it's really frustrating. And of course, we need to be able to bring the vehicles in eventually, both of them, and not have an issue with having to pull like so far in, right? And then barely be able to open the doors, and that's kind of, see if I can move it just a tad. And that's kind of where we're at. So if it wasn't for the fact that Haley's vehicle is super small, if I still had my truck or, you know, of course, bigger SUV like I'm planning on getting, then we wouldn't be able to put both vehicles in the garage because basically we lined both sides. Not realizing how little, garage space width there actually is. So I'm hoping I've got this cleaned out other than the jack and the ramps and stuff for the vehicles. Move my entire auto section over, which I'll show you here shortly, and have a lot of like yard sale stuff and like get rid of and give away stuff that we just need to find a new home for because we have too much crap going on. So right now I am installing a bike rack. We have one already up. You probably saw my other videos. Bike rack up, and I'm gonna actually redo that piece of furniture right there. It was the first thing that my grandmother bought with her own money. So I'm gonna redo that hopefully soon. Gonna put another bike up on the wall and get this place organized. See you guys.